Waking up to morning dew, the sun begins to rise. Birds are singing lullabies, a chorus in the skies. Mountains tall with snow-capped peaks whisper in the breeze. Nature's art in every part, bringing hearts to ease. Oh, nature's beauty, a sight to behold, the stories untold, and you so bold. From rivers running free to the ancient trees, nature's magic lives in you and me. Fields of flowers, colors bloom, painting earth with grace. Rolling hills and winding trails, a perfect peaceful place. Oceans vast and forests deep, a symphony of life. Every creature great and small, in harmony, no strife. Oh, nature's beauty, a sight to behold, the stories untold, and you so bold. From rivers running free to the ancient trees, nature's magic lives in you and me. Listen to the whispers of the wind through the pines. Feel the cool embrace and morning mist on the vines. Beneath the starry skies we find our place, in nature's arms a warm embrace. Oh, nature's beauty, a sight to behold, stories untold, and you so bold.